Hi students, today we can study 13.3. Question number 8. Water in a canal 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep is flowing with a speed of 10 km per hour. First we have to draw one canal. Just like one canal. That is cuboidal shape. Then width already given, that is 6 meter. Then height is 1.5 meter. We can write a given width of canal, capital B, just take it, that is 6 meter. Then depth of canal, capital H, equal to 1.5 meter. Then after that given speed of water flowing. Then we are not using in here speed, but using by this speed we have to find out length of this canal. Then remaining part, how much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes if 8 centimeter standing water is needed. Then using this water they are going to irrigate one field. They are going to irrigate this like one field, that height given 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter of standing water, that is 8 centimeter. Then we can find out the length of the canal, distance flowing water in 30 minutes. 30 minutes. We can take, that is L equal to distance formula, you know. Distance means time into speed, isn't it? Then time means in here already given 30 in 10 km per hour. 10 kilometer we have to change to meter because other measurement all they are given in meter. Then kilometer how can change it to meter? Multiple by 1000 divided by hour. 1 hour 60 minutes. Change it 60. Then after the 0 and 0 cancel, 6 and 30 cancel 5 times, equal to 5 into 1000 you will get 5000. That means distance flowing water in 30 minutes, that is 5000 meter. 5000 meter we can consider as a length of this canal. So then we can see field first. Height of standing water, small letter h equal to 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. Centimeter also we have to change to meter. We can write 8 by 100 meter. Because 1 meter is 100 centimeters. Centimeter change to meter. Our question, we have to find out area of this field. Let capital letter A be the area of field. Now we can see question. Look, from here 30 min water they are using for irrigate this field. That means here volume of water in canal and volume of water in field will be equal. Then that condition we can write as per question. Volume of water in canal, that is volume of this canal, say, equal to volume of water in field, both equal. Then volume of water in canal, that means volume of canal is LBH equal to volume of water in field, that also cuboidal shape, we can write LBH. Capital L means length of canal. Already got it, that is 5000 into B. B means width, 6 into H. H means 1.5 equal to L, B we don't know. Then H. H means height of standing water, 8 by 100. Equal to 5000 into 6 into 1.5. This 8 by 100 bring to left side, that will be 100 by 8 equal to LB. What is L? B. L into B. L into B means area, isn't it? We can write area. Area of field. We can cancel this 2. What will we get? Using by 2 means 3, in here 4. Then 4 and 100, 25. Then multiple 5000, 3, 1.5 and 25. 5000 into 3, 5000 into 3, you will get 15,000 into 1.5, 15. 0, 0, 0, 25, 7. Then 0, 0, 0, 15. 0, 0, 0, 5, 2, 2. Again one more number is there, that is 25. Using by that 25 also you can multiple. 25. 25, remainder 2, 10, 12, remainder 1, 10, 11. Then using by 2, 0, 0, 0, 25, 10, remainder 1, 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5, then 2 into 2, 4. 0, 0, 0, 5, 2, 6, 5. 5, 6, 2, 5, 0, 0, 0, 3 zeros. Then after point in here one number is there, that's why in answer also after point one number, that is 0, I need to write equal to A. Therefore, area of field A equal to 562500 meter square. Next problem, question number 9. A farmer connects a pipe of internal diameter 20 centimeter from a canal into a cylindrical tank in her field, which is 10 meter in diameter and 2 meter deep. If water flows through the pipe at the rate of 3 km per hour, in how much time will the tank be filled? Then they are given one cylindrical pipe. We can draw that figure. One cylindrical pipe. The diameter is 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. Then using by this pipe, they are going to fill one tank, that also cylindrical shape. Diameter is 10 meter. You can write diameter is 10 meter and 2 meter deep. That means height. 2 meter is pipe, and the one is tank. Our question, we have to find out time taken for fill the tank. First we can write what are things given in here in this question. Given a radius of pipe, small letter r, radius how much? Diameter is 20 centimeter. Radius we can write 20 divided by 2, 10 centimeter equal to, look, other measurement all in meter, this 20 only centimeter, that 10 centimeter, 20 divided by 2, 10 centimeter, that 10 centimeter we can change it to meter. How can change? 10 divided by 100, because 1 meter is 100 centimeter, then 0 and 0 cancel, then you will get 1 by 10 meter. That is a radius of that cylindrical pipe. Then our question, how much time will the tank will be filled? We can take, let t minutes time will take fill the tank. We don't know how much time that will take. I just written t minute, maybe 20 minutes or 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, that will fill the tank. Then in here, the length of pipe we don't know, isn't it? We have to find out length of pipe. We can write distance water flows in t minute. How much distance that water will flow in t minute? What is distance? Speed and distance. You know, speed equal to distance by time, isn't it? Then this time bring to left side. S into t equal to distance. Distance we can write S into t. That means speed into time. This distance we can write A. Sorry. Okay, H. H equal to speed into time. Equal to speed how much? Already given. That is 3 kilometer per hour. 3 kilometer per hour. Kilometer we have to change to meter, because other units we took meter. 3 kilometer, how much meter? Multiple by 1000, because 1000 meter is 1 kilometer. Divide by 1 hour, how much minute? That is 60 minutes into time. What is time? Time already we took. Let t minute, isn't it? Then that is small letter t. Then 0, 0 cancel. This 3 and 6 cancel. 2 times 2 and 100 cancel. 50. You will get 50 t. Then length of this pipe we got 50 t. I took in here h as length. Then second part. Now tank. Radius of tank, that is capital letter R. What is the radius of tank? Total diameter is 10. 10 divided by 2. You will get 5 meter. Then depth of tank, capital letter H, that is 2 meter. Now check it. In t minute, how much water flows through the pipe? that will reach in here, isn't it? That means volume of water coming from this pipe and volume of water in the tank will be equal, isn't it? That means volume of pipe equal to volume of tank. Okay, and that volume of water in pipe in T minute equal to volume of water in tank. Nice. Volume of pipe. Pipe means cylindrical shape. Which formula? Pi r square h. We can use pi r square h equal to volume of tank, that also pi r square h, pi capital letter r square capital letter h. Both pi and pi cancel. Then small letter r square. What is small letter r square? That is 1 by 10 whole square into h. Small letter h, we return distance water flows in T minute. H, isn't it? How much? 50 T. Then capital letter R, that is 5 meter, 5 square into capital letter H, depth of tank 2 meter. 1 by 10 into 1 by 10. 1 by 10 whole square we can write 1 by 10 into 1 by 10. 50 T equal to 5 square, that is 25. 5 into 5 into 2. In here 10 and 50 cancel 5 times. Then 5 and 10 cancel 2 times. We will get 1 by 2 T equal to 25 into 2. T equal to 25 into 2 into this 1 by 2 bring to right side, that will be 2. Then multiple, what you will get? 25 into 2, 50. 50 into 2, 100. 100. What is T? T means time, but the unit is minute. 100 minute. Therefore, what is T? Already we are done. T is time taken for fill the tank, isn't it? We can write therefore time taken for fill the tank equal to 100 . That will be our answer.